Participants attending the 18th World Water Congress have said that the event offers opportunities to seek closer global collaboration amid challenges. The 18th World Water Congress kicked off on Monday in Beijing with a 5-day event themed Water for All, Harmony Between Humans and Nature. This is the first time for China to hold the World Water Congress. This year's Congress has drawn nearly 600 international delegates from more than 60 countries and regions, over 130 international organizations and water-related institutions, as well as nearly 700 water resource professionals from China.
I believe that the 18th World Water Congress is a great event to discuss the urgent water issues and challenges. I just learned from the opening session, China is a leading country in water resource management. So I really believe that we have many things that we can learn from China, but also we have good knowledge, skills, what we can share with the Chinese counterparts.
The theme this year that's so important is greater harmony between humans and nature. I think it's something that really resonates for many different people to really bring together different approaches.
There are a large number of participants who are coming from different parts of the world, and most of the participants, they are related with the water management in different areas. So I think it is a good opportunity because most of the countries, they are here and they can benefit, they can exchange their views regarding water management.